All right, we are completely packed up. The entire apartment is packed up. This place is empty. It's emptier than the day we moved in.
Okay, so our pod just arrived. Actually, it's being placed on the street here right now, and it's tiny. We got the 7 feet long one, which is the smaller one. They also had the 12 feet one because it's long distance move. And this one is like really tiny, but it was almost $2,000 cheaper. So it was a no-brainer decision. Like, our furniture is not as expensive. I love our furniture. It's mostly IKEA, but I did some DIY on it, so it looks pretty cute. But it wasn't worth for us, like, to pay more, because we're gonna pay, I think today or when they deliver, $2,600 with everything, with the delivery of the pod and with the first month of storage. So it was, $2,600. The more expensive pod, the longer, was, I believe, $4,300 or $4,500. So big jump in price, and like, our furniture is not even worth $2,000. So yeah, it just, the hassle of going through, buying new furniture and waiting for it too, because we want to get nice furniture next time we're buying. This was our first time when we were moving to Irvine, first time buying furniture, so we got like the cheapest. But yeah, I don't want to buy the same furniture again. It's wasteful. So we will see. Okay.
All right.
Just a little lifted.
So this is the width of the bed. Navigate to Home Depot in Marina Del Rey. So it's the Saturday before we move. We've sold, what,
almost everything.
Half our furniture.
No, just kidding. Yeah, half.
And the other half we're keeping. One bedroom apartment. It's not a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's hard to part with. The day we are moving, and it's in the morning. I luckily woke up like 10 minutes before my alarm, which is very unusual. It was over an hour before I usually wake up, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. You guys need to see it. Oh, I can't switch the screen anyhow. Yes, so we are very excited, and you can see boxes are packed. Heater in the background is running because it's cold as usual. It's gonna be colder in Texas though, but we're gonna have insulation, so yeah. We are pretty much done. Just gonna eat breakfast, wait for movers, and we will start driving to Arizona and then straight to Texas.
We are completely packed up. The entire apartment is packed up. This place is empty. It's emptier than the day we moved in. Yep, closet completely empty. Actually seems so much bigger without all the stuff in here. So we loaded our Model 3 up. You don't even want to see the trunk. The trunk, the frunk, the back seat, everything is full. Actually, we can see out the rear view window, so no, actually we still have space. But yeah, it is full. Our pod is full. We got the small pod. Holy crap, that thing is full. Movers did an awesome job packing it. Now we're just heading to the 10 freeway. We're gonna take that all the way out as we head to our first stop, which is Flagstaff, Arizona.
And I'm still drinking my morning coffee,
yes.
Even though it's 1 p.m.
Yeah. All right, so here we are at the beginning of our trip. Julia's got the little trip planner up on the screen. That gives us an idea of what the battery use is like over our first stop here. That's going to get us to our first supercharger in Baker. And it looks like at the rate we're driving, you can actually see the line is moving up a little bit. The gray is what we need to get there. The green yellow is the actual consumption right now. So at 70 miles an hour, obviously we're going to be more efficient than what the car is planning. The car is probably planning for us to do it at 75.
I mean, it says usually like below 75 you should be driving for the best efficiency.
Which is funny because what's the name of the German YouTuber with the Model 3?
I don't know.
I can't remember his name. Put on the screen, but
isn't he like Swedish or?
I think he's Nordic.
Great.
He was saying
European.
Well, when you're driving at fast speeds, 93 miles an hour is the ideal. Obviously, we can't really do that here in America because speed limits don't go up that high. But that means we're going to be well within the efficiency range. So it's about 5:30, there's no more sun. We just turned onto this Nipton Road that's before you go to Vegas, you turn right and you take it down. It's asking you to turn the steering wheel. And Julia's driving right now. It's a very sketchy road. There's a bunch of dips, there's no lights, no other cars. Occasionally you see some cars coming the other direction. Yeah, it's pretty sketchy to be honest. We're going to be on for apparently another 30 miles before we turn onto a highway. Yeah, see like it's dipped like this, very sketchy. Can't see if there's anything on the other side of it. Alright, so we left Flagstaff about 55 minutes ago. Really awesome hotel there. Had a Tesla NEMA charger, so we arrived with 10% battery. At 11:30 at night. We left at 8 a.m. the next day. We had 97% battery with running Sentry mode all night. Very nice. The hotel was pretty nice. It was one of the Hilton Garden Inn. If you look up on the charge maps or whatever, it's one of the 2 places in Flagstaff that has EV charging. Here's Julia. Yeah, she's all bundled up.
Energy.
Yeah, we'll talk more about the range here in a bit when the sun gets up a little higher, but let's just say yesterday was extremely stressful getting to Flagstaff from Los Angeles in the Model 3.